In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text style on your Android phone. So first open your settings application, then scroll down and tap on display. Now within the display settings, look for the option of font size and style. Go ahead and select it. Here you can adjust the text size, make the text bold or change the font size as well. You'll see a preview of your current text and you can increase the text size, which many people find it useful. So you can use the slider in the bottom and then use it according to you. Also tap on font style and choose the one you prefer. If you like to see more options, you can go ahead and select download fonts. Then you can keep it by downloading it from the Galaxy Store. Also go ahead and if you want the bold text to appear, go ahead and toggle this option on. This is the easiest way to change your phone's text style. Keep in mind that you may also be able to download fonts from other sources or apps depending on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.